Trauma in its simplest form means injury, means someone has experienced harm because of their race or due to racism. So trauma is injury, and it requires support, and it requires a healing process. We know that racism can and does occur. We know that bias can and does occur. And so even if you don't share the same racial identity of your students, it's important for you to understand that they can be impacted by oppression and by race because of their race and racism. And it's important that educators are knowledgeable about how racism can occur systemically, meaning policies and procedures that unfairly target or single out children of color, because racial trauma can be cumulative. I'm not just experiencing what I'm experiencing in the moment at your school. I may also have other experience that this builds upon. So the trauma that I might experience in one place may be connected or trigger memories of other experiences. So it's important for educators to understand the impact of systemic racism that is present, and to really understand that trauma is injury. And so some of the ways that students may exhibit certain behaviors or express concerns may be because of trauma or racism that they've experienced in the past. If this is a topic that you feel as an educator you're not well versed in or you haven't explored, it's something to dive into. Educators play an awesome and amazing role in the lives and development of children and families. The work that you do is phenomenal. And our children benefit so much from these relationships. It supports children, it supports families, it supports our community. And finally, I would just encourage you to continue to take a deeper dive into understanding racialized trauma, and then just to do your own personal work to make sure you understand from a personal, interpersonal perspective how you are connected to your students' lives and how race is a big part of that.